Hi guys, I'm Jess and welcome back to Magical Mischief. Today we've got another Doorables video, another Let's Go vehicles. I'm so excited. We have got series 3. We've got 2 of these to open today and I'm going to get the package off. I am so excited to get into series 3 because as you can tell it's got some of my faves on the front. You got like Eeyore, Bo Peep. I think that's Anna. So I am super excited. So excited. Here they are. I'll give you a better like close up of the front of the box. This is series 3, as I said. I'm going to open it and see if I can find a checklist. I will link series 1 and 2 openings up above for you guys to check out. Now they come with 2 bags, the vehicle and the Doorable, the character so to speak, and we're going to look at the options now. There are quite a few options in this that I want. And one, I think, looking at this, I'm desperate for. I forgot he was in here. So here is the checklist. We've got, that's Anna, Belle, Bo Peep. Is it in a focus? Who's this? Dumbo. Eeyore, like Must. Goofy. Lucky. Jasmine. That's Mike. Need. I'm obsessed with Monsters Inc. and Monsters U at the moment. It's unreal. Tigger. Ursula and Zurg. And there is, who's the special edition? Oh, that's Dumbo. So you can see them a bit better, and let's get started. So I think this is a car, or is it a motorbike? Most of these actually, nicely, I think are cars. They're like cars or aeroplanes. There's only 1 motorbike, or 2 motorbikes I can see, and one of the, who's, I got one that I wanted. Oh my days. Can you tell who this is by the pink bow at the back? Oh my days. And it's purple. This guy is a common. And it's, oh, it's Eeyore. Oh my days. I love him. Love him so much. Like I need. He is a win. Doesn't want to sit on though. Oh my days, he is not going anywhere but the shelf. How cute is he? Oh my days. I'm so happy, guys. So happy. Right, we're on to our last one because we've only got 2. I will be getting more of these. Okay, please be the car that I want. Well, there's 2 cars that I would actually be ecstatic about at the moment. But I'm worried this isn't. Uh-oh, who's this? Knew it. Okay, so I'm not as excited about this. It's cute that it's a little aeroplane, but we all know who this is, I think, because of the lamp. Do I need her? No. Am I a bit sad that I didn't get Mike? Yes. Oh, look, it's Jasmine. She is adorable, but do we need her? No. Oh, it doesn't want to go on, man. Jasmine, listen. Sit on. She does look like adorable in her aeroplane, but don't need her. So you can probably tell who my favourite is little Eeyore. This is the first Winnie the Pooh, like Doorables road trip vehicles that I actually have. Because in series 1 I didn't get Pooh or Piglet. If they do a series 4, please can they do a Roo vehicle and a Sully vehicle? Please, I need that Mike and that Tigger. And to be fair, I need Miss Bo Peep and Zurg. You like rarely see Zurg, so, but here's our pull for today, guys. I am loving these Let's Go vehicles. I need more and more and more. I need more series 1 and 3. I do have some in storage, but they won't be open for a while. I might have to do a top up. So I've only got 2 extra series 3 and 2 extra series 1. So we'll have to see what we get when we open those in the future, and definitely buy some more, guys, because I'm just in love. This Eeyore has made me so happy. Oh, I love him. Can they do a Baymax, please? I'd be lost for words. Adorables, make it happen. Series 4, Let's Go vehicles. Yes, please. If you have enjoyed this video, guys, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so you're notified when more magical mischief is coming your way. I really hope you have enjoyed this Doorables unboxing, and I'll see you very soon, guys. Bye!